Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your website design with Squarespace, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your website design with Squarespace, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Once logged in, navigate to your existing website dashboard. Select the Design tab from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find several design options to enhance your site. Begin with the Site Styles option to adjust the overall look of your website. Explore fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand identity. After customizing site styles, return to the Design menu. Next, choose Templates to change your existing template. Browse through Squarespace library of professional templates. Select a template that resonates with your vision and click Start with this design. Review the template's demo, then Now, update the home page first by clicking on the header section. Here, you can modify the text, images, and layout. To add new sections, click on that Add Section button. Choose from various layout options like galleries, testimonials, or calls to action. Drag and drop to rearrange sections as needed. Next, focus on improving your site's navigation. Go to the Pages menu to organize your navigation bar. Add any additional pages your website may need. Ensure your pages are logically grouped to enhance user experience. Utilize the image block to easily upload visuals that align with your content. As you approach the final touches, consider adding social media links. Go to the Settings section and select Social Links. Connect your social media accounts for easy access. Moreover, check the mobile responsiveness of your design. Use the mobile preview feature to ensure everything looks great on smartphones. Before launching your new design, preview the entire website. This final step allows you to catch any discrepancies or errors. Once satisfied, click Save to apply all your changes. Now, your upgraded website design with Squarespace is ready to be published. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.